The water looks like bowel movement. Boom! Hey there, guys. This is hash brown and bacon smoothie. So you already know we got our hash browns here, our bacon here, already cooked off camera, and we just we're just gonna put it in the smoothie, the smoothie blender, the blender bottle, the smoothie blender bottle. Let's just go ahead and give that a little push of encouragement. You know what? Let's put the bacon in there first. One, two, and three strips of bacon. Now we're gonna put a hash in there, a corned beef hash. Oh, we got a little spillage, but what is a video without a spillage, I have high hopes for this. I have high hopes for this creation, this is I'm giving it my best opinion here. It's probably gonna be a 10 out of 10. Let's put some water in there because this is gonna be thick. And yeah, that looks enough. Give it a little shake. The water looks like bowel movement. It's okay though. Let's give it a little blend. I think it's done. Huh. Let me just let me just go ahead and okay. Well, crack this open. This actually smells pretty good. Give that a little pour. So, looks wise, it's what does it look like? I, I don't know. I don't know what it looks like, but it looks, we got to give it some points. The thickness, it's not really too thick. You see, it almost fell out the cup. It's not almost too thick. Let's give it a taste. It has bacon chunks in it, you know? Hold on. That's pretty tasty. If I had to put this on a scale, this would be a 9 out of 10. That is really good. This is really good. This is you know what? Corned beef hash and bacon smoothie is one of the best smoothies I've ever tasted. Wow. This is I gotta make this again and drink this off camera. Well, bye.